Hello, Jill here, and today we're going to talk all about my phenology wheel and how I am coming along on this project. So if you watched my last video, you understand how I set up the wheel. If you didn't see it and you're curious about how I set this up and created this and what I'm going to make out of all 12 months, 1 month, one wheel for each month, take a look at that other video. In the meantime, what I'm tracking in January is shadows. And that's what I've saved this space for miscellaneous things. Maybe I just want to document. Certainly want to know what am I following in January. And for January, it is shadows. I put this little quote here, which I love. It says, "Watch closely, and the land will speak its ever-changing language." So I have January. I have 32 segments on my wheel. January takes up one, so this will be day 31. I have done, I'm over to the 11th. This should be going up today on Monday. And that will be 1 week from last Monday when I posted, of course, the first one. So you can see I'm having extreme trouble with my watercolor. And that's fine because I'm no expert at watercolor, and I don't imagine I will ever be an expert at watercolor. But things I had to decide on, and I still haven't clearly decided for sure how I'm doing it, is I'll use a cloudy day, for example. This was a cloudy day, and I went out, and all I saw was little things in the snow that looked like my dog's footprints that had little marks on them. So, of course, that's what I recorded because that was the picture I took. Now, I have an alarm set for 10 a.m. every morning, my time. So the sun has already come up. The weather is whatever. For January, it's hard. We have a lot of mix of rain and sun. If I have options of where I can go. I live real close to what is called a rails to trails. If you don't know what that is, you can ask me or put a note in the description box below this video, and I'll be happy to answer that for you. And I can go over there and go along the rails to trails and take pictures. If the weather is such that I can't really get outside very well, I can go into my yard. So that's when I take my photos. So I'm using this cloudy day for an example. Now, I already know I'm going to use black for the days of the month. I know I'm going to leave the background on these white for right now. But the next row of items, I am saying what the day exposed, whether it was cloudy, sunny skies, or whatever. Now, the next thing is, am I going to continue that background, which is a muddy gray in the winter, down through these, or am I going to leave it white? I don't really know yet. But if you see it change, you'll understand why. Things I need to get better at. A sunny sky doesn't mean the sky is green. It also means in the summer it might not be yellow. But I'm not sure what color it is right now. So I'm still trying to figure that out. I imagine it's a color of something with white highlights. And I'm not good at white highlights. So there goes all of my sunny skies. So most days so far in the past week or since the first of the month have actually been cloudy days. So on cloudy days, I just had a background of a blend. And for some reason, I keep picking these trees that, except for these two, I keep picking trees or bushes. This is a rhododendron bush, and it's very spiky. And then at the top of this branch was kind of bent over, and at the top was one of the heads of the rhododendron that had dried on there and was still on there, even though it's January here. This one was a look across the way, rails to trails, and I was standing by this tree. If I looked across, here's the stream, the white part, And then there's in the background is another hill with trees on it. So that one, all in all, didn't come out too bad. But this one was interesting because the snow had actually looked like it sunk in, and there was like this little indent. And in the indent, the snow was very white, on the edges more shadowed, and then around the edge, just the regular laying of snow. And I don't think snow is totally white either. So anyhow, that's where I'm at for this month. These videos will be short as I review them once a month. As I make other decisions around the wheel, we'll certainly talk about those. I hope within the next week to get the center of this one completed and get this completed, which I want to have some color. So obviously I'm tired of the dull, cloudy, cloudy skies, gray and black. And I have to chuckle at my green sky on January 1st. But anyway, so I hope I have those done for you next week. And that's my update for January 11th, 2026. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Do something you love. And until the next time.